Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log into your Natwest mortgage account. To log into your Natwest mortgage account, you can simply follow the steps until the end of the video. So let's get started. First of all, open a web browser of your choice. Now enter the official website for Natwest. Type in natwest.com/mortgage and press enter. Soon after you do that, you will end up in the main homepage for Natwest. From this page, you can now go ahead and apply for a mortgage and familiarize yourself with the mortgage options available on the screen. To log into your mortgage account, click on the login button at the top right corner. Now, you'll first need to log into your online banking service, online banking account in order to get access to your mortgage account. Start off by entering a customer number or your card number, whichever is suitable for you. Make sure to provide the correct information. If you've chosen customer number, you'll need to enter the customer number for your bank account. If you've chosen card number, you'll need to enter the 16-digit card number across the front of your debit or credit card. After you type in the credential, click on Continue. Now on the next page, you'll need to enter your password associated with your online banking account, and after you do that, make sure to sign into your account by clicking on the login or sign in button. Once you have the correct credentials, you will then be able to log into your Natwest mortgage account. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.